What's up YouTube, and welcome back into another mini editing guide with me, Cornish Ratbeard. So today I'm going to show you a very simple editing method, and this one is all about trimming your videos. If you want or need to know how I got this video into this software and ready to edit, then please check out my how to import media video, which is in the description below. So as you can see, we have two separate bars, the top one being the video and the bottom one being the audio. In this instance, I want both the media and the audio to match up, so I won't be separating the two. That is a thing, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. So within our tools bar located here, we have very many useful tools, but the one I'm showing you today is the one called the slice tool. Now when I edit my videos, I generally look out for gaps in my audio as references to what needs to be cut. But you can also leave notes or stoppage times if you want, and you could even have distinctive visuals on your screen like the pause menus, etc. Now using this raw original OBS video as an example today, we can see that I need to make 5 cuts to make this closer to being YouTube ready. Now those cuts will be here, 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 here and here. So to do that, we want to zoom in on the affected area to get a better picture of what needs to be done. Note that when not using a selected tool, it's best to leave this selection tool on to help navigate the media, just so you don't make any unnecessary mistakes. Select this bar here and drag it to the points of interest, then just here you can use this bar for zooming in and out. Next, remember to put your viewer on, which is located up here for reference, and pushing spacebar will allow your footage to play, and pushing it again will pause it. So do that until you are happy with the start point. In my case, I need to make the cut just here, as that's the start of the video that I want you guys to see first. Using the slice tool, I can do that now. Next, switch back to your selection tool and make sure that the bit you don't want is highlighted. This part will be a kind of pale orangey colour, like so. Go ahead and push delete on your keyboard, or you can right click and push remove, and then drag the edited footage up against the start bar here. Always try to put the footage back together. Zoom back out and head to the next bit that you wish to edit. Repeat the same steps that you did before, zooming in and out of the affected area and using your slice tool like I am doing here. I will quickly do these other ones just to show you how it's done again. So what else can we use this slice tool for? Well, it's quite handy for making one long video into 2 separate videos. Find a halfway point or thereabouts and make a slice. Next, you want to delete the second half of this video. Don't worry though, it won't make any permanent changes to your original video. Note down what time of the video that you made the slice, and obviously try to make a slice where there's a break in the audio if you can do that. Next, save it and open a new project. Bring back the entire video again and make a slice from the time that you noted down. This time, you've got to delete the first half of the video. This is now your part 2 of the original one long video that you had. So you've now got a part 1 and a part 2, which you can edit freely and when you want to. This is the basics of the slice tool, guys. It's really there to help you cut out any mistakes in your video so that us viewers just don't see it. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to keep an eye out for more quick tips for simple editing. Take care and bye-bye for now.